to master the Sage class in Gold and Glory? In this guide, we'll show you the best skills, strategies, and tips to dominate as this mystical class. Let's dive in. The Sage class is a support role in Gold and Glory, designed to heal allies and keep enemies under control with crowd control abilities, making it essential for dominating team fights. Skills. Healing Circle restores a small amount of health to nearby allies, providing steady support in battles. Binding Heal continuously heals an ally, but it cannot be cast on yourself. Binding Heal has 2 stacks, allowing you to cast it twice before needing to recharge. Using Binding Heal in combat is a great tactic, as it allows you to heal allies while staying engaged. However, be mindful of your positioning, as enemies can target you while you're healing. Holy Strike deals holy damage to enemies in an area of effect, striking all foes within its radius. Holy Shackles targets an enemy and immobilizes them on hit, preventing movement for a short time. Try using this skill in open space, as it can be blocked by other mobs or structures. Holy Nova unleashes a burst of holy damage, dealing a large amount of damage to all nearby enemies. This skill is more effective against mobs than players. Redemption heals allies around you for 5 seconds, restoring a large amount of health. Using this skill in combat is a great tactic, as it boosts your team's sustain during fights. Judgment channels a slow effect on all enemies in the area of effect, dealing holy damage over time. Cautious when using this skill, as it leaves you vulnerable while channeling. Talents. Holy Aura grants you and your nearby teammates additional armor and magic resistance, though it isn't functional yet. Armor and magic resistance doesn't change at all. Immunity grants you invincibility for 3 seconds when your health drops below 30%. However, it only works once per game. Spirit Revives allows you to revive a fallen teammate by interacting with their corpse after they die. However, it also only works once per game. Paladin allows you to wear warrior armor, but in exchange you cannot use healing skills. Mastery. Melee Mastery Point 1, you gain +2 damage when using a hammer, including both one-handed and giant hammers. In Mastery Point 2, your third hammer attack will deal holy damage. In Mastery Point 3, dealing holy damage to enemies will restore a small amount of your health. Here's how you can maximize your melee mastery. For talents, use Spirit Revives or Immunity. For the key of this mastery, use Paladin. For your skills, use Supernova, Holy Shackles, and Judgment. Avoid using any healing skills, as they won't work with the Paladin. For equipment, use Protector Helmet, Chest, Gloves, and Boots to boost your Constitution, along with Purifier Pants and Will accessories to enhance your will. This build is strong against physical damage, but weak against magic damage. In Heal Mastery Point 1, hitting allies with the spellbook will heal them. In Mastery Point 2, healing an ally will heal a portion of your health as well. In Mastery Point 3, your healing will increase by 10%. For talents, use Immunity and Spirit Revive. For skills, use Healing Aura, Binding Heal, and Redemption. In your equipment, use Ritual Crown and Robes to boost both Will and Constitution. And use the Purifier set and Will accessories to maximize your Will. Use Constitution Necklace to complete your mastery. This build focuses on Will, as the higher your Will, the greater your healing output. In Control Mastery Point 1, you gain +2 damage when using the spellbook. In Mastery Point 2, your holy damage will increase by 10%. In Mastery Point 3, you will gain +20 magic resistance. Here's how you can maximize your Control Mastery. For talents, use Immunity and Spirit Revive. For skills, use Holy Aura, Holy Shackles, and Judgment. For equipment, use Purifier Helmet and Robes, and the rest should be Arcanist gear. This build is balanced for healing and controlling enemies. Wisdom accessories to boost your damage. Tips and tricks. Spirit Revive can only be used once per game, but entering her. Abyss will reset it, allowing you to revive again. This mechanism is also the same with immunity. Gameplay. this guide helps you improve your Sage skills and master the class. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.